Well, we're out here on a beautiful fall day. It's October 1st, 2024, and we have begun the harvest here, and the crop looks amazing. So Thomas is taking the video here. We just want to zoom in just a little bit here on some of these 4-year-old roots, but it might be the best crop that we've ever seen at Schumacher Ginseng. So they're huge, they're clean, and we're just very thankful for that. So for those of you who have watched our videos in the past, you oftentimes saw my brother, Jim. And for some of you, you already know that Jim passed away in January after a long fight with cancer. So today is a bittersweet day for us. We know Jim is watching us from heaven, and he's happy for us here. But at the same time, we miss him dearly. But we're thankful for a beautiful crop here. And in his last weeks and days, Jim made it very clear to us that he wanted us to continue to grow the finest ginseng in the world, that's Schumacher Ginseng. So we will continue that going forward. So we're out here today, as I said, in our 4-year-old garden. It's a truly bumper crop. We're thankful for that. Just to touch a little bit on Jim. You know, many of you have talked to him throughout the years. Jim was an amazing person. He was an amazing partner, amazing businessman, and an amazing brother. You know, it's a little bit hard to hear here as we got the digger going behind us here on a second dig. But I just wanted to talk a little bit about Jim, how special he was to his customers and to his family here at Schumacher Ginseng. And he always enjoyed talking to the many customers that we have throughout the U.S. and throughout the world. So we miss him dearly, but we know he's watching down on us today, and he's smiling also at the incredible crop that we had this year. So just to show you just a little bit more here, because I want to show you these amazing roots that we have here this year. They are truly gigantuous. You can see this root right here. It's probably half the width of my hand here. So it's definitely one of the biggest, some of the biggest roots that we've ever seen in 64 years that Schumacher Ginseng has been around. So we're going to shoot a few more clips here throughout the day when we're digging some of the wagons, and then we'll continue into the fall here. Maybe show you some clips of the washing yet as we go here. But it's a good day here at Schumacher Ginseng.